Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual, right? Yeah, on my end, I've been losing money for the past few weeks now because the market been really bad. Maybe I'm losing my trading skill, I don't know. Anyway, but despite me losing money, I'm not gonna stop making content. So in today's video, I'm gonna be introducing you guys to a new broker called Tradin. Basically, it's a broker being run by FundingPips, and I'm planning to trade with them, and I want you guys to follow me on the journey, and you'll get some review from me, and we'll see if that would also be a broker of choice if you want to trade with. Okay, so let's get into their website and let's see what they're offering. But before that, as I'm saying, the broker name is Tradin and is being run by FundingPips. Yes, the same FundingPips that is a prop firm, and the same FundingPips that I made well over $133,000 in payout. Yes, the same FundingPips. Yes. So since it's the same prop firm that is actually running a broker, and if you are trusting that prop firm, that means that you should also trust the broker, because basically the same company that open like brokerage, right? So now let's come on the website right here. So this is currently the trading.com website. By the way, if you want to sign up to Tradin, go and check the link below this video. Go and sign up, okay? But let's see if your sign up is actually worth it. Let's look at what they're offering. So when I scroll down here, we can see that they have tight spread, they have more speed, less slippage, So let's look at the account type they're actually offering. So we can see here they have three account types. They have the standard account, they have the raw spread account, and they have the free the swap free account, right? So the standard account, the spread start from 1 pip, and then there is 0 commission, and then you have 2,000 leverage. 2,000 leverage, I mean, it's really good. Now the raw account, basically raw means that you have 0 spread. 0 spread. So if you want an account with 0 spread, go and get the trading account, which is the raw spread, okay? And you'll get 0 spread. But 0 spread, you have to pay commission per trade. So anytime you open one lot, you're gonna be paying about $7 per lot size, okay? So there's $7 that will be taken as a commission every time you open a lot size. But the good thing is the spread is 0, okay? And the leverage also up to 2,000. But let's look at the minimum deposit here. If you want to get just a normal standard account, there is a minimum deposit of $10. And then if you want to get the raw account, which is the 0 spread, the minimum deposit is $500. So if you want that 0 spread, you have to deposit $500 to get this, okay? But beside that, if I scroll down here, you'll see that there is way more advantage on getting the raw spread. They have priority execution. That means that if a lot of people are taking the trade, your trade will always be executed before the others. So faster execution basically. And then they have dedicated account manager. So yes, you'll have an account manager in your DM that you can ask question anytime you want basically. And then the last thing here is the VPS hosting included. So you get a free VPS. So if you have, yes, I don't know if you guys know VPS. If you don't know, you can just comment below this video. I'm gonna make another video on what a VPS is basically. And then the last type of account here is the swap free account. Swap free account is also called Islamic account, I think so. So that means that you can hold trade overnight without paying for any commission basically. Or swap fee. You are not paying for any swap fee. You can hold trade for a month without having any issue. So the spread start from 1.5 pips. There is 0 commission, and then delivery is up to 2,000, and the minimum deposit is also $10. That's very good. So these are the 3 account type here. For me right now, the one I'm really interested in is probably the standard account and the raw spread. The swap free, I'm actually a scalper, so I don't really hold my trade overnight. I don't really think I don't think that suits me. But anyway, let's log into the trading account and let's see what it has there. So since I'm logged into my trading account right here, you can see that I currently have 3 accounts. I have a standard account here, I have another account. I think all of my accounts here are standard with leverage up to 2,000, and then one of my account has $100 deposit. So if I want to deposit money, it's really simple. All you need to do is click on the deposit button right here, and then you can just put the amount. The minimum deposit is $10, and I think maximum is 10,000. You can deposit either with card or you can deposit with crypto. And if you want to withdraw, it's the same thing. You can withdraw with card or you can withdraw with crypto as well, right? So this is basically about trading, right? So I currently have an account. You guys see that I have $100 on this my account. So what I'm gonna be doing is, since I want to help you guys to make money as well, I'm gonna be doing some sort of giveaway. So these are the 3 steps you have to follow. The first one, you have to sign up to the trading broker. So go and click the link below this video. You sign up, okay, for free. Go and sign up to trading broker. Once you sign up with my link below this video, the second thing is you have to join my Telegram group. Okay, go to my below this video as well, or on my profile you can join the free Telegram group. Once you join, then I'll give you instruction. I'll be giving you guys more instruction later how you can win the giveaway. So the giveaway here is I'll be depositing $25 to 4 of you guys. So all you need to do is create a trading account, join my Telegram group, and then 4 of you guys, I'm gonna be choosing. I'll give you guys how to join the giveaway later, but yeah, 4 of you guys will be getting $25 deposited to your trading account, and then yes, you can trade and make money basically. So I'm helping you guys to start trading with trading by depositing for you. Okay, all you need to do is sign up and then follow the step that I said right now. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And I can see also that there's a 20% deposit bonus. So if you are depositing on trading broker, they'll give you 20% deposit bonus. And then one more thing is, if you are trading with FundingPips, you also get, I think it's 20% bonus as well if you get your payout to trading, which is really good. So if you want to trade with FundingPips, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX and link below this video to sign up to FundingPips as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So in today's video, I introduced you guys to the new trading broker right here, and I'm willing to give you guys $25 to 4 of you guys. So feel free to join my Telegram and see you guys. Because I'm telling you guys, I've been losing money for the past 2 weeks, so hopefully I'll break my losing streak tomorrow. Yeah, and by the way, despite I'm in a losing streak, the good thing is I've been waiting for a payout with FundingPips. So yes, if I've been trading that FundingPips account, I may have lost my account, but since I have not been trading, I'm actually good. I'm just waiting for my payout. That's pretty much it. So see you guys on my next content. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because all of this video I'm making is for free for you guys, and you learn something and you also get free giveaways. So feel free to follow, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys on my next trading content.